Hey everybody, Miss Samantha here with a really neat craft project idea you could do, and you pretty much find whatever you want at your house. It's called a diorama, and basically it is a little project, a little house thing that you make like a scene from a book or whatever. It's like you'll see things, it's like pick your favorite book and then you make a little picture from that book, just any old scene with things around your house. Here, I'm gonna show you some here in just one moment, okay? Some ideas to get you. See, here's one example of a diorama that I've made. Of course, the book I did was Goldilocks and 3 Dinosaurs. And so I just kind of found stuff lying around and made one. So I got 3 little dinosaur figurines right there. So, and then I had some little trees. And then I just kind of made a Goldilocks with pipe cleaners and yarn and all, and then some little fuzzy bushes. So, but that's one kind. All right, then there's another one. This one's from Why Mosquitoes Buzzing in People's Ears. See that one right there. And this is what somebody else made, Miss Rachel, but see how she got the box, and she actually made it to where you do it just right. The mosquito is buzzing around his ears, and he's like, ah, with his eyes. And so, and in this one, she used some stuff. Let me get you. But of course, she used cardboard. If you can get a little closer, you can see all sorts of things. And there's like pipe cleaner. And then in here, she used little pieces of wood she might have, and some little bolts and nuts like that. So you can pretty much use whatever you might have around the house to make one of these. Okay, so that's basically what a diorama is. Like I said, it's something you can make at your house. Doesn't matter. You just need to start like with the containers, really good. You have a box or an empty milk jug maybe, or if you don't have one, that's fine too. It's just fun to make little scenes from some of your favorite books, things you might have at your house. I don't know, maybe you have some Legos that you can use. Maybe you have a little figurines, like this is a dog. Remember I had dinosaurs from mine. Then I also have found these little wooden people thing, that's what I used with mine. And so, or little foamy balls, you know, just whatever might have be around your house. So, but whenever you are done making them, you can always share them on Facebook because we would love to see what you've made. So you have a great one and go make some dioramas.